When it comes to protecting your home from water damage, one of the most important components of your home's exterior is the gutters. Gutters direct rainwater away from your roof and foundation, preventing water damage, erosion, and mold growth. However, not all gutters are created equal, and the quality of installation can make a huge difference in the long-term effectiveness of your gutter system. If you're looking for gutter installation services in Macomb, it's essential to choose a company that offers both high-quality products and expert installation. Here's what to look for when hiring gutter installation services in Macomb to ensure that your gutters perform optimally and last for years to come. Experience and reputation. The first thing to consider when hiring a gutter installation service is the company's experience and reputation in the area. You want to work with a company that has a proven track record of successful installations and satisfied customers. Experienced installers are more likely to get the job done correctly the first time, which is crucial for ensuring your gutters work as intended. Start by checking online reviews, testimonials, and ratings from local customers. Word of mouth is also a valuable tool. Ask neighbors, friends, or family members in Macomb if they have had gutter installation work done and if they were happy with the service. A company with a good reputation is more likely to provide reliable, high-quality work and offer customer service you can trust. Wide range of gutter options. Not all gutters are the same, and different homes have different needs. When selecting a gutter installation service, it's important to choose a company that offers a wide range of gutter options to suit your specific needs. Whether you're looking for traditional K-style gutters, more modern half-round gutters, or seamless gutters for a cleaner look and fewer joints, you want a company that offers various materials and designs. Some of the most common materials for gutters include aluminum, lightweight, resistant to rust, and available in many colors. Aluminum gutters are a popular choice for homeowners looking for an affordable and durable option. Copper. Known for its durability and classic appearance, copper gutters are ideal for homeowners seeking a more luxurious option. Copper also naturally resists corrosion. Steel. Strong and long-lasting, steel gutters are perfect for homes in areas with heavy rainfall or snow. A good gutter installation service will help you choose the best material and design based on your home's architecture, local weather conditions, and budget. Custom fitting and professional installation. Proper installation is key to ensuring that your gutters function efficiently and last for many years. Look for a company that offers custom fitting to ensure that your gutters are precisely tailored to the dimensions of your home. Poorly fitted gutters can lead to water overflow, damage to your home's foundation, and other costly issues. A professional gutter installer will measure your roof line carefully, install gutters with the correct pitch for proper water flow, and ensure that downspouts are placed in areas that will efficiently direct water away from your foundation. Make sure the company you hire offers a warranty on their installation services. This will give you peace of mind knowing that if any issues arise, they'll be addressed at no additional cost to you. Proper downspout placement and drainage. While gutters capture water, Downspouts are responsible for directing that water away from your foundation and landscaping. An experienced gutter installation service will ensure that your downspouts are strategically placed to prevent water from pooling around your foundation. This is especially important in Macomb, where heavy rains and snowmelt can lead to significant water runoff. Ask the company how they plan to manage drainage, including the placement of downspouts, and whether they offer additional solutions such as drainage systems or rain chains to help direct water flow away from your home's foundation. Proper water flow management can prevent soil erosion, flooding in your basement, and damage to your landscaping. Gutter maintenance and gutter guard. Even the best installed gutters need regular maintenance to keep them functioning properly. Leaves, debris, and dirt can accumulate in gutters over time, leading to clogs, overflow, and potential water damage. When choosing a gutter installation service, consider whether they offer gutter cleaning and gutter guard installation. Gutter guards are a great way to reduce the frequency of cleaning and prevent debris from entering your gutters in the first place. There are various types of gutter guards available, from mesh screens to more advanced leaf filters, and a good installer will help you choose the best option based on your needs. Additionally, inquire if the company offers ongoing maintenance services to ensure your gutters remain clear and functional. Insurance and licensing. And lastly, it's essential to hire a gutter installation service that is properly insured and licensed. Installation of gutters can be dangerous, and accidents can happen on the job. A reputable company will carry liability insurance and workers' compensation insurance to protect both you and their workers in case of accidents. Make sure the company provides proof of insurance and licensing before starting the job. This helps protect you from potential liabilities and ensures that the work meets local building codes and regulations. Final thought. Installing new gutters is an investment in your home's long-term protection. When searching for gutter installation services in Macomb, look for a company with a strong reputation, a wide variety of gutter options, professional installation practices, and ongoing maintenance services. The right installer will not only enhance the curb appeal of your home but also ensure that your gutters function efficiently to protect your foundation, landscaping, and home from water damage. By choosing a reliable gutter installation service, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is well prepared to handle the elements for years to come.